Hey there, and welcome to today's training video. I'm Adrienne Lindeen, one of the co-founders of Beach Boss Influencers, and wanted to ask you, are you struggling to find the right people for your business on social media? Because in today's training, I'm going to share with you the top social media platforms you should be using if you are in network marketing. So, using these platforms with a proven strategy can generate daily leads, which turn into new customers and new team members. And I've personally, along with the other beaches in Beach Boss, have tested out all of these different platforms. Okay, and we've come to find out that there's a difference between all the platforms and what their purpose is and how it can relate to your business. Okay. So just because you hear certain gurus in the industry telling you, go here and go there, and oh my gosh, have you gotten, on this platform, and have you gotten on that? Right? We like to test things first and then see, hey, is this something that's working, right? Is this something that can work for our team? Instead of just jumping ship, moving over here and following everybody around, right? Because not all the platforms work the same. Okay. And I'm specifically gonna talk about three different ones today. And most of the time when you are jumping, right, from platform to platform, it's not super effective for your business, and it can leave you wasting more time with little to no results, right? And I know for me, I already wasted a lot of time before I learned how to use influence marketing on social media and get people to come to me, right? It is getting people to come to me versus going and chasing anybody and everybody. When you apply influence marketing, it totally changes your business 180 degree, if not 360 degree. And it is amazing to have the right people coming to you, right? The people that come to you wanting what you have to offer, right? Wanting your product and wanting to join your team. And you didn't have to go chase them. Okay. So here's what you need to know. IG, so Instagram and TikTok, are similar in the form that it's not the platform to build relationships necessarily, but it's a great way to build a following of cold prospects, cold leads. Okay. And you can do this pretty quickly over there, right? But there's a lot of fake accounts on both, and people can pay money to promote their videos, buy followers and likes. And in network marketing, right? It's a relationship business. So you want to work and build a following of real, genuine people. But it is a great way to entertain your audience, show them who you are, right? Instagram tends to be more of like the fluff, okay? Where you have a lot of these Instagram influencers, right? With the fake filters and all that stuff. But people in this industry and what we do, they want real, genuine, authentic people, okay? So, like I said, it's a great way to entertain your audience and give value through your videos, through your TikTok videos, through your IG reels, but it's really difficult to narrow down your target market. Okay. However, people do buy from strangers without having to warm them up, but it's not super consistent. And most people aren't going to join you, right, in the business if they've never met you, they've never talked to you. People join people who they like, know, and trust. Okay. And that is what influence is on social media. Okay. Building a following of people, okay, growing that network of people, building relationships with them, and then promoting to them. Um, and once you promote to them, because you've built the relationships, you've built that like, know, and trust, they will raise their hand on their own. Okay. It is magical. So on Facebook, and you're going to hear me say this a couple times, but you can grow your network daily by taking cold prospects, moving them into a warm market, a warm prospect, which turns them into buyers and people who join your team faster than you can on the other platforms. And trust me, trust us, us beaches, we've tested this and have done this. Okay. But this can be done faster on Facebook, okay, than IG or TikTok because there's more real people, there's more real accounts, more human to human interaction on Facebook. And that's what it was designed for, okay? Facebook is still the leading and top platform on for network marketers on social media. Okay, network marketing is a relationship business, and Facebook was designed to build communities and relationships. Okay, and I'm gonna just give you a little example. Okay, when TikTok came out, Facebook wanted to compete, right? So they created stories. All right. Well, what did they do to stories? What function did they give stories when they rolled it out? Okay. They gave the ability to comment on someone's story, which sent them to their messenger inbox because Facebook wants to promote more conversations, more relationships, more community building. Okay. Yes, I get there's DMing and all that stuff on Instagram and TikTok, but there's more human to human, real people relationships happening on Facebook. Okay. And if you want to grow, your business and rank advance faster, okay? Focus on Facebook, okay? It's still the top, it's still number one, it's still outbeating the other platforms, even though I know there's like younger generation says it's for old people, but it's not, okay? I have grown a significant multiple seven-figure business on Facebook, okay? And it can be done. So focus on showing up every single day. Okay. And that's the key here. It's not what platform you're on. It's how consistent are you being and what are you using? Okay. Are you posting and hoping that I can just post, you know, a meme or a GIF or, this and people are going to come to me? No. Right. But video is still king. Okay. And it turns your cold market warmer faster. Right. So this will create you a daily lead flow when you're constantly, consistently moving people through the process and popping sales left and right. Okay. So how many of you would love to have leads coming to you daily? Right. This is what it can do for you. So, and let me ask you, what would your business look like if you were consistently enrolling 5 to 10 new business builders into your business every single month? You will climb the ranks fast. Okay. And that's what it can do for your business if you are using it effectively. All right. So if you want to learn our simple, proven 3-step process that took me personally from zero, no team, no following on social media to a 6-figure business in 11 months. Okay. Go ahead and grab the link below this video. Apply the strategies from the link below this video into your Facebook social media strategy and watch your business go boom. So, thanks for hanging out. I hope you got value. Stick to the Facebook. The other places are great, okay? But you'll get more traction faster on Facebook. And we will see you on the next training video. See ya.